Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be putting some fender flares on my 03 Ram 1500, so let's get into that. So these are the RedRock OEM style fender flares. Got them off AmericanTrucks.com. Cost me, with taxes and everything, about $156. So thought I might try them out, put them on the truck. You know, I'm kind of thinking like, you see most like Raptors or the Ram TRX, most of those Baja off-road trucks, you know, they have the wider fenders on them. So I thought, maybe if I put some fender flares on here, might make it look a little cooler, maybe. So we'll see. And it might also help me from kicking up a bunch of rocks with my big mud tires and scratching my paint. So we'll just see how it goes, see how the truck looks. So you can kind of see before, and then have it on there and see what it looks like after. Let's get into it. All right, well, it looks like we got some screws here, and then I don't have any screws here, but I got the holes here, and then we'll have to do a little bit of drilling on the top. I think 3 holes on the top. So some of them you don't have to do drilling on, but these you do have to do a little bit of drilling on. Kind of show you guys how it looks when it's on there. So you got all your screw points. There's the hole that you're supposed to put this little plastic fastener or whatever. You're supposed to put it in there, but I cannot get it in there, so I don't know. It's got plenty of screws in it though, and it's on there really. I can't really move it, so I don't think I'm even going to really worry about that because I don't think it matters. So there's one of them on. I think it looks pretty good. Only thing I'm not too happy about is it doesn't really line up right there perfectly, so you have a gap. That's kind of irritating. You have to see that. That's kind of dumb, but I really don't know what to do about it. You know, it's got 2 holes that are there, and then they match up with the ones on the truck, so not really like I can change that very much. But it's not that bad. I mean, a little bit loose there, but along the top a little bit. But it's not bad. I mean, a little annoying, but not bad. All right, on my 3rd one now. I'm on the front left. I've just got it situated, sitting in here. All the screws that you take out from the fender. Took those out, placed this on, put the screws in. Now I just have to drill 1, 2, 3 holes and put the screws in there. And that's about it. Real simple. All right, guys, it's done. I'm tired. It always ends up being a lot more work than you expect it to be, but I'm done. I like it. I think it looks good. So let's check it out, see how it looks. right, there it is. I think it looks pretty cool. I think it definitely looks, you know, like a newer truck. The fender flares definitely adds some cool look to it. So I like it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was something you wanted to do to your truck, see how it looked on mine, you know, a little bit about the install. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please give a like, thumbs up, subscription maybe. Help me out a lot, and I really appreciate everybody who has liked the channel and subscribed to the channel. So that's it for this video. Have plenty more coming out, so stay tuned.